So what we mean by story is your CRM side of things, like all the activity. For an example, the lead was created on this date. The first appointment was created this date. The appointment was deleted and then rescheduled. And all this is done by, first it was done by Rushmeet, and then it was done again by Rushmeet, and then it was deleted by yourself. So it'll track all that activity. And if you do want to send another SMS or email to the customer, you can also scroll down, type anything that you want, and trigger that as a SMS or an email. So it'll go with your signatures and stuff like that. And if you have any files to attach to this particular customer, you can also simply attach that and add that to the story. This is like example, before you create the estimate, let's say you had some kind of intro email or any other coordination. Like let's say you're going to send an email stating, "Hi Kumaran, thinking of visiting your home tomorrow at 12 a.m." Now, right now, you might use Gmail or Outlook to write these emails. Instead, you can write it from here itself, and it'll still send a copy to your inbox, but it'll keep all those communications in one place itself. So it'll keep everything logged here. So you don't need to search for what email you send for which customer. So that's the purpose of that. And you can also create templates of emails. So if there is a common set of email you always send, you can create those templates so you don't need to retype every time.